Friends, welcome to my channel. Let us discuss projections of planes. Here, as I told, what is projection means? It is a drawing of any taken object, or we can call it as image. Here for plane we can take one example. This is a square. It has four sides. All four sides has equal length. Okay, and this has some width, and then it has some height. Okay, and it has no thickness. Okay, the thickness of this plane is negligible. We are considering it is 0. Okay, so plane has only 2 dimensions, remember it. So what are the planes we can take? We can take square, we can take, it is a hexagon. It has 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can take pentagon also. Okay, it has 5 sides. So in the engineering drawing we are taking all the polygons has regular type. Regular type means all the sides has equal length. Okay, for hexagon all 6 sides has equal length, and the angle at all the corners it should be equal. Okay, this angle, all the angles at the corner should be equal. So this type of polygons we are calling it is a regular polygon. So in projections of planes we are taking all regular polygons. Instead of the polygons we are taking circle also, circular plate. It has also negligible thickness. Okay, instead of these examples we can take heptagon also. Heptagon has 7 sides. Octagon has 8 sides. And we can take the rectangular plate also. As we know, rectangle has one longer side, one shorter side. The opposite sides has equal length. This side and this side has same length, and this side and this side has same length. Okay, and we can take nanogon also. It has 9 sides. And we can take the rhombus also. Rhombus means if you are tilting like this, we can take the rhombus plane also for doing the projections. As we know, for marking the projections, that is front view and top view, we are using the 2 planes, that is horizontal plane and vertical plane. So here this is a horizontal plane and this is a vertical plane, and this portion is the first quadrant. So in the first quadrant we are taking all the planes, we are doing the front view and top view, okay, according to the given position of the plane. Let us take here, this is a square. Okay, if I am keeping the square like this, now in the first example I am keeping the plane like this. This plane is parallel to the horizontal plane and perpendicular to the vertical plane. Perpendicular means, let us take this angle is, okay, 90 degrees to the plane with the vertical plane. Okay, now I am keeping the plane like this. Is it perpendicular to the horizontal plane? Yes, it is perpendicular to the horizontal plane and it is parallel to the vertical plane. Okay, so here I am taking hexagon. I am taking the hexagon like this. Is it parallel to vertical plane? Yes, it is parallel to vertical plane and then perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. The entire plane is making 90 degrees with the horizontal plane. Okay, if we are taking circle, I am taking the circle like this. This circle is, circular plate is parallel to the horizontal plane and perpendicular to the vertical plane. So these are the important positions for the doing projections.